All right, so these we're just going to carefully put them together, and they're going to be crazy big, and that's okay. So let's just work through a little piece at a time. I'm going to highlight, so we're going to do that piece first, and then we'll take care of this piece. Oops, I want that to be green. But just a quick thought right there is going to cause all the problems in the world. Okay, so I'm gonna box this, and if you're like, you just want to do the lines, okay, well then you go there, from here to here, and here to here, and then from there to there. I'm going to put that into a box, just so I can find it all. So 4 minus 3i, 2 minus 4i. Okay, so what happens? This box right here, it's when I'm doing 4 times 2. Well, 4 times 2 is 8. And then I do 4 times negative 4i, which is negative 16i. Then I do negative 3i times 2, negative 6i, and then negative 3i times negative 4i, which is positive 12i squared. All right, let's see what happens right here. That becomes 12 times negative 1. So that's the same as negative 12. Now, I can take this 8 and this negative 12. I can put them together. So that gives me negative 4. So I get negative 4 out of that. And then negative 16i minus 6i, put them together, I get minus 22i's. Okay, that's just the yellow part. Now I've got to go back and I'm going to do this part. So I'm going to make a box for that as well. So I've got 3 plus 5i and 3 plus 5i again. So 3 times 3 in this box is 9. 3 times 5i is plus 15i. 3 times 5i plus 15i. Again, just pause if you need to. And then plus 5 times plus 5 is plus 25, but I squared. Okay, what does that I squared do? It's negative 1 times 25, so that's minus 25. Okay, so from this over here, I'm going to get negative 25 plus 9 is negative 14 plus 30i. Okay, so here's what happens. I've got, this was what came from the yellow. This is what came from the green. But in the middle of all of it was a minus sign. So be really careful there, because that means this minus has to go minus minus and minus that as well. So my ultimate solution, negative 4 minus negative 14, is positive 10. Negative 22i minus 30 is minus 52i. This one is going to be kind of similar. I'm going to pause and erase. Alright, let's see. This set right here, I'm going to highlight that first set. They're conjugates, which means the middle. So 11 times 11 is 121. Then do you see how this is 11 times positive 12i, and this is 11 times negative 12i? The middle is going to cancel, so I'm not even going to write it down. See if you can figure out where I went from there. Then negative 12i times positive 12i gives me negative 144i squared. Well, that means this right here goes into plus 144. So 121 plus 144 is 265. Now be super careful. Got minus something. Okay, so I'm going to highlight this all in green so I know kind of what's going down. So 11 times 11 is still 121. 11 times positive 12i plus 132i. Oh, look at this, is a perfect square, so plus 132i. So like they're the same, so you're squaring them. And then in the end you get still plus 144i squared. So this right here, see this time, this turns into, let's see, it was plus, so now it's going to turn into minus 144. So 121 minus 144 gives me 23. And then these two don't cancel this time, they add together to give me 264 i's. But do you see this? It's all behind a minus sign. So 265 minus 23, 242 minus 264 I. Hopefully my math is right because it is midnight 30. I think that's right. If you're like, no, the actual PDF notes should be good. Right? These ones lower, I'm not going to go through those with you. I think, oh, yeah, actually I should. This one. So x and x, negative 1, negative 5. So x minus 1, x minus 5. This one, x plus 9, x minus 9. Okay, but these two, something happens because see right there? So you'd be like, you can't do that. To which I say, you couldn't last week, but this week you can. Because if I were setting it equal to 0, I could get it to the other side and it would be square root of negative 49. So actually, this is just x plus 7i, x minus 7i. So then what's this one? Pause it if you need to think. X plus 12i, x minus 12i. We can talk about that tomorrow. So have a great day. Good job going through here. I put the assignments all up online so you can see them.